No videos allowed of me.
Nate's at his Nana's house and he's trying his first nectarine. His mom is chopping it up.
Oh, jeez.
And then gum on it. Suck on it.
A little bigger.
Yeah, what do you think, Nate?
He likes it. Yeah, he's sucking
Sitting on the
juice out.
table, sucking the juice out of the nectarine.
Like, it's good.
I'm about to play some Shanghai, see?
Try that in.
Already one of the pieces has made its way into his mouth and then it shoots right back out. Let's see if it'll...
This is the big one. He wants the whole thing. There's one of those
Oh, I
little,
think he swallowed it.
one of those little pieces.
Little piece. Still working on that one?
Let's see, so this is his 6th food. He's had banana, avocado, applesauce. He had a raspberry and a blueberry this morning.
Blueberries were more of a hit than raspberry. Raspberry was a little tart. Let's try sucking on this piece again. See?